When I arrive at the field and have the planter unfolded, there's a sequence of steps I need to go through to ensure I'm fully ready to plant. Step number 1 is to make sure the 3-point hitch is lowered to your desired position. Second, I need to make sure my markers are set for what I am doing. In this case, we can see the markers are turned off. If I need to, I can go into my frame control, turn markers on, and decide if I want auto mode, left or right. And then I can see that represented on the run page. Next, I need to make sure I turn my PTO on to run my electronic power generation unit. We'll go ahead and turn the PTO on, which I can see indicated on the corner post. Then I need to turn on the EPG. In order to do that, I will need to go to the SeedStar icon and select EPG on. Go ahead and close out. Next, I will need to turn on my vacuum and then rotate the meters to get vacuum automation working. Ensure that your SCV that you're using for vacuum, which could be multiple SCVs, says auto and that the flow rate is set to 7. We'll navigate back to the planter run page. Then we will go ahead and select vacuum. I can see up in the top left-hand corner I have my status pie for my vacuum automation. Step number 1 is engage the SCV into D10. We should now see all 4 pieces of the pie lit up, and the next step will be to fill meters. We can see the meter fill button at the bottom. Many times I need to select this 3 or 4 times in order to get vacuum automation to turn on. If I have multiple vacuums on my planter, I could use the use common target feature to lock both vacuums together so I only have to adjust one target. In this case, I only have one vacuum motor, so it doesn't matter which way I set it up. Go ahead and select your vacuum target. Go ahead and select 14 in this example, and then go ahead and hit meter fill. Keep hitting meter fill until you see your vacuum automation pie light up green to show that your vacuums are fully engaged in automatic mode. Then we can see our actual vacuum is matching very closely to our target vacuum like it should. Go ahead and close out the vacuum page, navigate back to your run page, and you can see what your current vacuum level is as you're running through the field. At this point, we should be ready to go ahead and begin planting.